We out here about to get some chicken and waffles from the world famous, you know. Give you a glimpse of what it looked like. Chicken and waffles. Fire. Fire. About to go in, but I got this bad addiction to cigarettes. I'm vlogging my daily life. Pretty good. I'm vlogging my daily life. Because I do this. I do this. Say hi to YouTube.
Hell no.
Well, you're already on YouTube, so.
What's wrong with you?
Don't you know I do that?
No.
Yeah.
I don't do that at all.
You're being recorded and monitored for, and let me get some red
Quality
chicken.
purposes.
For quality and training purposes.
I let you get a what?
And I need red velvet waffles and chicken. Yeah, that's what I want. Red velvet waffles and
I
chicken.
saw that Chinese girl's lips before I saw her.
I put Kathy on YouTube. Kathy, you're on YouTube.
Hey, here you go.
The famous chef.
What's
He's
going
on
boss?
YouTube.
You know what's going on, my boss.
The best.
We got you. We got you. We
The
got
best.
the egg roll, the best egg roll.
Oh yeah.
You know what's going on.
Oh yeah.
Do not hit me, child.
No, don't worry. You're already on YouTube. Kathy! She's over there cooking and cutting.
Kathy?
Say hola! Ah! She's mad. She's on YouTube.
You videoed her today.
No, that was yesterday.
I would be mad too. Why would you do that?
No, but she knew she was being on YouTube. I put her on YouTube. She even said hola. She said hello to the camera. That's not my fault.
Why is she mad today?
She's not mad. She's just not listening to me. So come back in like 2 hours for my waffles? No, I'm just joking. 10, 15 minutes. I know it.
1682.
Man, I'm going bald. This ain't cool.
You think? You should shave all your hair off.
What do you think, YouTube? Shave my head off? Leave comments in the section below. How much I owe you?
1682.
Alright, I'm gonna bring you $1.82 right now. Let me go next door and grab that. That's 15 right there.
25 right here. You want to put it in a hot box?
Hot box.
Huh?
Hot box. By the time
Kadeen,
we spray, he come in.
there's a $15 right there. I'm gonna get you $1.82 right now.
Alright, love. Here we are, sir. Hello?
Also grab the Red Bulls. That's why my bill's always up there. But that's alright. That's what we do. We get Red Bulls. We do this. Back at it again. You sure? Man, listen, y'all put ranch sauce in there? I don't want ranch sauce.
Don't want it?
No. You know what I did last time with the ranch sauce? I thought it was that glaze, that glaze, and I put it all over my waffles. And Tiff ate it. Thank you. Appreciate it. I'm gonna show y'all off my red velvet waffles and chicken. With all the glaze. Oh yeah. Fire. Real good. Real good. We do this, fam. Casting out. Peace.